Today, class, we're going to be watching a video on multiplicative comparisons. Sparkle, sparkle. All right, let's start off with a warm-up. Spiders. Okay, so let's use multiplication comparisons to compare the sizes of these two spiders. How much bigger is this black spider than this brown spider? Now, we don't know the exact measurements of the spiders, but we can estimate. You see this guy, he's taking up pretty much the whole entire palm. Okay, so that's about like the whole palm of the hand right here. So about how many of these little spiders would it take to make up the size of this big spider? So how many times bigger is this black spider than the brown spider? And we got a sentence starter to help us out. The size of the black spider is about blank times as much as the brown spider. So here's something that helps me out. I can visualize about how big the brown spider is, about the size of this right here. So about how many brown spiders will it take to fill up this entire box? Well, I think it's going to be about another 3 to fill up that section right there, and then another section, another section. I think the size of the black spider is about 9 times as much as the brown spider. Fun fact, in America, spiders eat flies, but in Paris, they eat French flies. Okay, let's get for real. Let's focus. So let's look at this. We got 4 times 2 equals 8. Or we can also write it as 8 equals 4 times 2. Another way that we can read these is 4 times as many as 2 is 8. Or 8 is 4 times as many as 2. All right, pretty simple, right? And so if I have 2 modeled, there's 2. Now we know 8 is 4 times that much. So we'd have to show that number, which is 2, 4 times. And so that's 8. Easy, right? You got this. All right. 5 times 3 is 15, or 15 equals 5 times 3. Again, another way we could read this is 5 times as many as 3 is 15, or this one could be read as 15 is 5 times bigger than 3, or 15 is 5 times as many as 3. All right, and then we go, there's 3. Now, what's 5 times this much? Let's show that 3 5 times. Boom. And then we know that's 15. 15 is 5 times bigger than 3. This is a piece of cake. Piece of cake. Let's do another one. All right. This time we got the model first. There's 36 because we know 4 plus 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 4 is 36. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. This is 36. But now, what multiplication equation is modeled here? Well, you may have noticed that there are 9 boxes. So 36 is 9 times as many as 4, because we have the number 4 9 times. So here's how we can write it. 36 equals 9 times 4, or 9 times 4 equals 36. And so we could read this as 36 is 9 times as many as 4, or on this one, we would read it as 9 times as many as 4 is 36. Piece of cake, you got this.